In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection in Cydia or Microsoft Keyboard. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then select System and Updates, Language and Input, and over here your current keyboard. I will start with Cydia one. After accessing it, select Input section and click on this switcher next to autocorrection to manage it. If you are using Microsoft One, after tapping on it, select Typing, and this time use this switcher next to autocorrect feature to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!